dime. Some of these guys will be poor and die alone. But in the process, they've been the true renegades. And the true rebels always walk alone anyway. But in the process, they've been the true renegades. And the true rebels always walk alone anyway.